to you guys. This is Coach Adam, and this morning I will be teaching you on how to design your poster, flyer, magazine, anything you want to design on Canva. I will be teaching you about that right now, so follow me. And in addition, this channel will be teaching you now how to make money online, even how to monetize your graphic designs as a template that people will be buying. So I will add below one of the designs I made earlier on how to download any format, majorly how you can download PDF from Canva. Then I've seen that many people also now need how to design their poster, their flyer, maybe business poster or magazine. So I'm going to be teaching you that right now. Stay with me and subscribe for more. Alright, first of all, click on this plus sign, and you click on it. You'll be able to choose what kind of template you need. Are you doing a presentation as a YouTube format? You choose that. But right now, you just come here. What would you like to create? Search for poster. Search for poster. Okay. So if you want it like this is portrait, so it's going to be standing. Your design is going to be this. But if you want it to be like in the format of a land, that's called landscape. Alright, so if you want to design something else like magazine, you just come here and search for magazine. You've already programmed it, so it's going to give you the one you want. Do you want the interior like the A4 paper size, or you want the magazine cover, or you want like the Instagram grid and so on? And if you are not designing that kind of poster or magazine, anything else you are designing, or maybe even it's a banner, the template has been set. So you just click on them, then you'll be able to choose. And if you are not doing all this, you can enter custom size. Anything you want to design, and they have already given you the size for it. Just come to custom size. You want it in landscape or portrait, enter it. But first, change. Do you want to design in pixel size? Was your design measured in pixel, in inches, in millimeter, or in centimeter? If the format that has been given to you is not like any of these four, go to Google, convert the size from that to millimeter or to inches or to pixel. Any number I give you, enter the width here and enter the height here. So after you've done that, it's going to bring two options out to you. Let's say you want it in portrait or in landscape. So when you do that, it's going to suggest to you, look at the portrait size, look at the landscape size. Okay, but I'm not using those ones now, so we're using what we are designing a poster. So just search a poster flyer. You don't even need to add flyer. So then click on the portrait. I'm using the portrait right now. So I have gotten the template format that I need. You just have to go into the designer, and something is common to Canva, so it can bring you some templates that you can just choose any background you like. So I think I should use this background, even though I'm using the paid version, the yearly subscription. So I can choose this. And if you are not using any of these templates, or you are using the free, you choose it. Anyone that look align with what you want, you can choose it. And if you are not using any of this, like I said, you can use the background color. So let's use this. Alright, okay, so here I don't need this. I think I need this. So I've already created the text of what I need and drafted in, so it's not going to take my time here. I'm not going to waste your time, so I just have to resize this. This should be around 48. What I need here, that's too small. 76 then. Alright, stay with me, it's not going to take much of your time. Then at the end you're going to gain more value. So I don't need this, I don't need this. Then this one, I need you to come up here, little size, edit, then edit, discover all, Then I'm going to change this size to discover how to transform your teaching. So let me put this to 24. That's smaller, 36. Since this is better. Okay, what I want to do, I want to increase it, but in case if it go beyond, can you see it's go beyond where you want it to be, so just use fonts like Anton. That one is not that wide, it's like tiny fonts there, then it will come back in line. So let it stay within the grid. Okay, so I have this here and I have this here. Discover how to transform, but this is not that legible, that is not that readable right now. Okay, so I have to adjust this inward, so anyone that wants to read it can easily read the text from far. It will be sharp. Then I have to take this in a bit soon. So one of the impacts of design is readability. The people that want to read it should not have trouble reading your design from first appearance. So you're going to grab their attention. Can you get that? So let me increase this. This is the keyword that will grab their attention. If you don't know what size would be best for you, just adjust this. When it's reach details that you're satisfied, then you can leave it. I think I should change these fonts. Let me take this here. Just adjust it a bit. Reduce the size a little bit, so it's going to be here. Yeah, this can grab attention now. Yeah, this line previewing can help you set your book at the center, and maybe that is taking time. Just come to position, come to position, align, center. Okay, then middle. So we're not going to the middle bracket, but just take this away and click on center. It's going to put it to the center for you. You can also use this nudge to move a little bit anywhere you want to take it to. Okay, so let's do this one also to the center. Alright, so we've done that. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. Delete the frame and the image. Delete everything. This, I don't need this. Delete image, delete frame, delete the history. I have my image down to insert, so stay with me. I'm about to finish. I have just little things to add, and you're going to be an expert designer in the next few minutes. So we've got the keyword, the hook, which is the major title, 8 powerful strategies. So people are going to go back to read, discover how to transform the teaching with 8 powerful strategies. Then this, okay, I should delete this. I don't need all this. I just need the background. Let me see how many down that just got deleted. This, I don't need this. I don't need this. I need this one also. Contacts, I don't need this. I'm making just a simple design. If you need all this, you can use them. But I don't need them in this my design. Okay. Okay, probably I need this. But this one here, I don't need this, and this one. Let me see if I don't need some delete down. Okay, we've got the first one, the second one. Can also insert text. Come on the text and click on this. If it's not capitalized something, you can choose on this sub heading. Then no, the two will not come up together. That's a mistake. I think I double click. So text subheading, then this, and I'm pasting this. So this font size is much. I'm gonna reduce it. Let me say 36. Yes, so adjust. This is now, take this one out the middle, so adjust it to how you want it to be. If you are satisfied, that's okay. So this approach will help you. All this one at the end, I don't need all this at the end, so I'm going to remove this. Just this quote is made by Coach Adam. Make sure to pull it to entire. Then that's okay. I can change this a bit. I should just use a comma and bring this down. Okay, so let me put this here. This is a quote. I will come to format, make it bold, and italicize it. Alright, so that's okay. Now what am I promoting? the products. Where is my image uploaded file? These are when I was designing my book. So let me use this one with no background. So you can adjust this so that anytime you want to pick something like this around it, you will not go and pick the image. Just adjust it around it to be better. Okay, then bring it to where you want it to be and adjust it clearly. So this is the product this flyer is promoting, and I need the image that caption or gets attention of the people that are looking. Like when it's first instance, someone that is like an emotional image that wants to help you call the attention of people. Oh, this person is happy with this product, or this person is funny with this thing. You get all this kind of image. You get to bring one to something like this. You get to bring one to the design. So I'm almost done. Okay, let me use this my photo. Then I get to remove the background. Click on BG remover to remove the background. So quick and easy. Now that is only available to premium user. So if you're not a premium user and you cannot use that feature, while I'm copying this, I will explain. So go to remove background website. So remove background from any images. And the web address is remove.bg in case you don't know about that. So go to remove.bg, remove.bg. Then download your image that you've removed the background. When you get to Canva, come to gallery, don't come to upload. After you have used it, come to gallery and pick your image, okay, that you just downloaded, that is from your gallery or file manager. After you have used it on Canva as uploaded file, that is when you will now found it in upload. But if it's for the first time, you have to take it from your gallery. So let's continue. Now this is an image that will call the attention of people to this design, and when they get these products, I have to briefly inform them what are they going to gain. I said they should transform their teaching by getting this book. They're going to gain things like another text. So I've already prepared it. If you just come here to be typing, it's going to take some time. So this is what you're going to gain. Then you come here, adjust the font size, not trouble yourself. I think 24. Font size 24 should be okay. Okay, this is too small. Then you can make it like 36. This is much also. Just make it 30 then. So we have to adjust this to be around here. So now that's okay. So but it's not yet suitable. We have to change the color. Let's make it white. Alright. Anthem. So other fonts like Anthem and so on to make the text come together. Can you see? Here I can remove the environment. The message is still clear. Create a positive and structured classroom, and you can remove the adjective, the environment, to make everything be in line. Alright, and make sure to remember to align left instead of some starting from the edge, some not starting from the edge. Just come to format where you can bold it, but the text came with bold already. You don't need to bold it again. Just instead of centralized text or justified or align right, you should just align left. Okay, and here you see it look bulky, it look rough, so we have to make space, create space in line spacing to keep some gap. Can you see? With clarity, people can read with clarity. Line spacing 2.0 is okay. And letter spacing, I think I don't need letter space, but if it look like the letters are too close together, you can just adjust them a bit. Let me say by 25. Alright, so you just come to this here to make little adjustments so that it's going to stay in line. If there's too much, just remove 3 from the fonts and make it 27. Alright, That's okay now, right? So you see, so this white still look similar to some design here, which is not readable. So just give it outline. If it is system, you can just, okay, this is not system, so come to effects, click on it. This is not, we are not giving it shadow. Just come to the outline here and click on the effect again, change this light to very dark background and adjust it to how much you are satisfied with it. So when you are satisfied with it, that the text can now be read with clarity, you drop it. But the text is still very close, so let's come to spacing again and make small space between text. Adjust this, need more adjustments. Then I think you can bring this in, yes, or you just adjust this instead, but don't let it go way too much out to the end. And we don't need this one, but this one at the back here, I think now I need this. I should bring this. So can you see what I'm saying? So let me just crop this a little bit, then I can pick what I want to pick from here. Yes, this. I don't need it. Now you come over. So let me put something here to make it like a table, like this book is on the table, not just on the atmosphere. So I tell you can use nudge to move your text gradually. Okay, let me take this little bit in also. Sorry. So you've got that now. Let me now insert the background. Come to elements. Click on any shape that look like what you want. So I'm using this rectangle shape. That yellow is very okay. Very attention grabbing. It's one of the primary colors. So just take this here and rotate it a bit. About, should I use 15 degree? As much. Reduce it a bit. So yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to go to layers. You can see Canva have enough of effect for you. Come to layers and take this below the two objects. Below the two objects. So those two designs now are above the yellow. But if this doesn't fit by standing out, take it below the yellow and take this one above. So take this one below the table, so it will appear behind or under it. Bring this above, so it's going to show above it. Yes. Now I think we have to keep this with more line spacing here. Adjust it a bit upward. Okay, 2.4. so now this is the product here. Do it. And this is the benefit you're going to achieve from using the product. So this is how to design a poster for your products that you're advertising. Make sure to add text about what you're going to benefit from. Not everybody is going to read from the copy behind or around the text. Some can just click and hold the image and download to their gallery to check later. So you get to make it available to them anyway. So now we can adjust this upward a bit to make the breathing spaces there, but so everything is going to be more readable. Okay. And this. So you see some features on Canva. It's going to show you the, I think it's pixels, what's the distance between first design to the second one, so you may not take anything too much than the other. Now you can come out a bit. Yes, this is okay. Now let's increase. Shall we increase the height of this spacing? Let's see. Then come up a bit. Good. So in just 20 minutes you've designed your flyer. Congratulations. This is one sample, and this is how to download it as image. Download, you click on the arrow here. You see why I click this arrow up? If you click on this, any design, you just automatically download everything as image, even if you want it as PDF, and it will be as image. So click here to select anything you want. Let me explain them to you. If you click PNG, that is picture with no background. So that's not what I want. I want the background to be there. So you click JPEG. This is how to download image JPEG. So if you want PDF that you want to share, you can use PDF standard best for emailing. If it's something that they will have to print, you can use PDF print. Okay, on this one is only available for premium users. If you want to download this as MP4 video format, GIF, graphic interchange format, you have designed that in the form of image. You see some text, they will keep reading, rotating non-stop. That is GIF and lots more. So yeah, I'm just using JPEG and I'm using premium. Okay, so I can make it as 4K. You said it's too much. Let me just a little bit. So 4100 megapixel and 100% quality. So I'm not compressing it to a particular size, and I'm not saving this. I can enter any format at any time. So then you download your design in image. Can you see? I will show you the one I designed previously with different background, which is similar to these two colors just right now. So look at the caption below. Under this video you are watching, I've already included a video to show you how to download text as PDF. Anything you design, maybe you want to upload to Amazon, your design, your interior or your back cover in PDF, and that is in the video below this one you are watching. So now I said I want to show you the previous one I designed. Okay, let me show you that here. This is green background. I chose a template. That one also was a template, but it was blue background because the products and the image of the products as blue, and the promoter also using blue shirts. So there's one thing I want to add. I did not use it there, but I use it here. There are sometimes you want to make a design, you don't know the color code, you don't know how to pick, but you want exactly the color that is on that product. So let's say this background now is in purple color, and you want to use color like this, not the blue, like this cream color, but you don't know the color code. So select the color where you want to change it, and when you are checking, you could not, you choosing all this did not look perfectly like your taste. Canva is very good for one thing. You can select exactly that color. Just click on this arrow, then come to color picker. Don't enter color code, don't scroll here and be disturbing yourself. Just click on the color picker. The tool has come out, drag it to the color that you want to use. So when it is on that color, it's going to show you a preview of the color. That is it exactly. Then you click done, and it's going to give that color to your elements on the design. Can you see that? So this is the second flyer. Let me download this also and choose the quality. But if you just click on this one, you can choose the quality of your image. So best always use that download arrow up. So 4K and then 100% quality. I'm not downloading 2 pages, this current page only. If you have not updated your Canva, it may not be showing this. So if you click current page, it will still be clicking other pages, so you have to unclick, you have to uncheck. So just come to current page, and it's going to make that possible. Then click on download. Now you've got your design, from how to pick the templates, how to design with text, with hook, with products, with the emotion person there, with the text, and how to download them to your phone. Everything has been detailed. So to gain more from me, as I will be discovering more searches, subscribe to this channel so you can gain more from the next video. And if you particularly want something about designing, maybe some graphic resources like elements, emojis, and so on, comment below, drop your Gmail address there, then I'm going to send you some of the elements I've purchased. And thank you. My name is Coach Adam. I'm going to see you in the next video.